Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a very important legal step called a dispositional hearing. It might sound complicated, but it is actually a crucial part of the legal process. This hearing happens after a court has already decided that certain facts are true or that someone is responsible for an action. It is not about determining guilt or innocence anymore. Instead, a dispositional hearing is focused on deciding what happens next, what the disposition or outcome will be for the individual involved. Its main purpose is to figure out the best course of action for a case. This is very common in juvenile court cases, where a young person has been found to have committed an offense. It also applies to family court cases, like child welfare matters, or even in adult criminal courts during the sentencing phase. During this hearing, the judge looks at many factors to decide what will best serve the individual's needs and the community's safety. Who is typically involved? You will usually see the judge, lawyers representing all parties, and the individual whose future is being decided, whether it's the juvenile, the parents, or the adult defendant. Often, probation officers, social workers, or other experts are also present. They provide important background information and recommendations. Sometimes, victims are also given a chance to speak about how the events have affected them. These are called victim impact statements. The process involves everyone presenting information to the judge. This might include detailed background reports, psychological evaluations, school records, or assessments from social services. The goal is to give the judge a complete picture of the person's life, their history, any challenges they face, and what resources might help them. For example, a probation officer might present a report outlining the juvenile's home life, school performance, and any prior issues. Based on all this information, recommendations are often made. These suggestions outline specific plans for the individual. For a juvenile, this could mean counseling, therapy, drug treatment programs, community service, or placement in a foster home or a specialized facility designed to help young people. For an adult, it leads directly to sentencing, which could involve probation, jail time, fines, or mandatory participation in specific programs. After carefully considering all the evidence, recommendations, and statements, the judge makes the final decision. They must weigh all the factors to balance justice with the best interests of the individual and the protection of the public. This is a very critical moment for everyone involved, as the judge's decision will significantly impact the person's life moving forward. These hearings are incredibly important because they often focus on rehabilitation and finding constructive solutions, especially within the juvenile justice system. They aim to prevent future problems and support positive changes in people's lives. Understanding what a dispositional hearing is helps to make the legal system clearer and less intimidating for everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch and learn about dispositional hearings today. If you found this explanation helpful and clear, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Your support truly helps this channel continue to create more educational content like this for everyone. We really appreciate you being here.